Okay, here's one more clue in getting the door latch out of the W163 Mercedes ML500 year 2005. I got the wire out just by getting a screwdriver on this connector here and lifting it, and this wire popped right out. So maybe now I can fish this thing out. There's not much room to really fish this thing down, and as you'll see, there's a window channel in the way. If the camera will focus. This camera never focuses when I'm doing close work in the car. Just iPhone 7 just goes, hey, I'm not gonna work. Okay, well, there's a window channel in here. The device, the latch is right here, wiggling around, and I don't think I'm gonna get it down below this thing tonight. So, since I have to go on a trip, I want this door to lock again. I'll probably just lock this thing back up, fish a lock back up there and lock the car up. Because this may be a undertaking that I can't do tonight. Thanks for watching.